Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve the deflection of beam problems. So what is this simply supported beam where the load acting in the middle or center? So what is given questions here? So we'll write the given data here. A beam 4 meter long, so length is equal to 4 meter. If we will convert into mm, it will come 4000, we multiply 1000. Simply supported beam at the end carries a point load W at the center. So deflection, we have to find deflection at the center, correct. So the given slope should not exceed 1 degree. So slope the given, that is theta A, or you can write slope WL square by 16 EI given is equal to 1 degree. First what we'll do, 1 degree will convert into radian. So 1 into pi by 180. So this way we can convert the radian. So this value will be there 0.0171745 radian. We convert it into radian 1745. Okay, 0.0. Okay, so we convert it into radian. Now what they're asking? They're asking the deflections at the center. So y maximum or deflection at the center. What is the formula? First we'll write. We'll write the formula. This is maximum WL cube by 48 EI. Now what is slope we are seeing here? This slope we are getting WL square by 16 EI is equal to 0.01745 we know. This is the given question. Now what we'll do? We'll adjust here. WL square by 16 EI I wrote, because like this questions if not given Young modulus, moment of inertia, load, so that way we can find. So L by 3, WL cube by 3, 16 3 is 48 EI, yes. Now what is this value? 0.01745 into L by 3, L is equal to 4000 by 3. If this will solve, if you look at the deflection is mm, so this will solve. Now you will get the value. How much we calculated? 23.26 mm. 23.26 mm. So this way we can solve deflection of beam. All the problems will be very simple. Either only you have to remember the formula and all. If you know the formula for particular derivation, they are giving a simply supported beam at point load carried in the center. So this is the derivations is there. Already derivations we did in the video and we derive these two formula. You remember these two formula. Also I given trick to how to remember the formula and all. Shortcut trick also given. So if you'll go the my further video and all deflection of beam, so you can understand this how to solve this problem in all 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Okay friends, watch the video, subscribe the channel, share the video to the maximum friends. Okay, thank you.